We met like sunshine meets the rain, different but dancing through the same. You held my hand through every fall, laughing loud through every wall. Late night talks and secret dreams, silly plans and crazy schemes. When the world gets way too loud, you're the calm within the crowd. Best friends forever, that's what we are.